Hello, everyone. It's Kene once again. I am so happy to be here making this video. All right. As is usual, I am here with another problem, just a string problem, for us to solve. So I'm going to share my screen. I'll have a look at the question or problem together. All right. So, guys, here it is. Write a Python program to get a new string from a given string where the has been added to the front. If the given string already begins with the, then simply return the string unchanged. Display the result. What are we saying here, guys? Now, let's say there's a string, like a sentence, something like the, or rather I should say Earth revolves round the sun. And I'm going to store this in a variable called my string. Okay. Now, what we are saying is this. The program is going to check if this string begins with the, right? And okay, let me have this space here just in case, right? So this is THE with space. Now, the program is going to check if this string begins with THE and a space. If it does begin with THE and a space, then it's simply going to return that function will create will simply return the string unchanged. But if it doesn't begin with THE with the space, then we need to add THE to the beginning of this string and then return the new string. So this doesn't now begin with THE, so I need to put THE with the space. So this will be the new value of what is returned. I hope we understand. So I need to do this very quickly. This isn't a very difficult one. Okay, so guys, we have the string already. This time, no user input. We're just going to give it this value statically. Earth revolves around the sun. So there has to be a way of getting the first four characters, since I have T and THE with a space, making four characters. How do I, given a string, get the first four characters like this? I'm going to test something. Let's take first four characters, something like F4. Then, since this is my string, I'm going to use slice, kind of to slice strings. And that will entail using square brackets. Now I want to start checking from the very beginning. So using this colon, nothing is going to be at the starting position. So just beginning from the front, there shouldn't be anything before it. So right here, that's why there isn't anything before the colon. And I want to check, I want to grab the first four characters. Okay. So I'm going to put four. That is start from the beginning and take the first four characters. That's what this will be. So let's print F4 and see what it gives us. So you see, guys, we have EART making four characters. So with that, now we can now check if the first four characters are THE with space. If the first four characters are THE with space, then I will do nothing. I'll just return the entire string we started with. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to add THE to what I have as a string. I'll add THE, concatenate THE to that with that string and return the new value. Okay, so guys, let me create a function here call it my func. Need to use the def keyword, my func. Then it will take, okay, let me just not give any argument there. So here I have this right here. Then afterwards, I'm doing it everything statically. Then I'm going to do the check. So I'll say F4. So get the first 4 characters, just like this. So I know what the first 4 characters are. And I'm going to use if else, right? So if F4 has a value THE, if F4 is actually THE with space, okay, then do nothing. Just return my string, because we're not going to do anything to that. It already starts with THE with space. Now, if that's not the case, if it doesn't start with THE with space, else, then I'm going to return now I'm going to concatenate now THE with the space. Then at the beginning, guys, that's why we have THE at the beginning. Now that's concatenate. That, see what I'm using there, that plus sign is not the arithmetic plus, it's the join symbol. Just concatenate two, should I say values here? Okay, two strings or yeah, two strings. So THE space concatenated with what I have, as the original string, my string. So the function will return a value depending on the outcome of the check. Then at the end of it, I'm simply just going to call my func. So my func, and I run the program. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't even print. So I need to put this in a print statement, in a print method, sorry. Okay. The earth revolves around the sun. You see, that's because our initial string did not start with THE and space. But let's now put the THE. Let's put it there and then we'll see. So the string returns unchanged. So that's it, guys. I hope we learned something. I actually wanted to use this to talk about string manipulation, like getting substrings from a string. All right. So if we had say a string, say this my string, and okay, my string 2. Sorry guys, I seem to be digressing. And I had I am cool, and I wanted to get the last 3 characters, right? OOL. Just I'll say last 3 will simply be my string 2, okay? And I know that I want to start from what? These points, counting from the back. Okay, the last 3. So that will be -1, or even just take it from the front. I'm going to do the 2. 1, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that will be 5 here with the colon, then nothing after the colon. That means we want it to the very end. And I'm going to print L3. So we see, oh, sorry guys, this should actually be 6. So that's counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 off. Okay, so just do that. I have OOL. So this is how to grab substrings from strings. And if I wanted just to get this without the L, then I'm going to go. So this is 6, 7. So I'm going to have this 7 here. Oh, sorry guys, I need to grab two characters. All right, so that's it. So let's get it again. I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what do I have after that 6th character? O, O. So this is 7th character, 8th character. So when we use this method of getting substring, what I have as the end point is included. The character at that position is included. So this is character in the 8th position, and it is included. That is something that we must bear in mind, okay? All right. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.